What's up, alto saxophone players? We're going to be playing the song Going Up in Smart Music. First thing we need to do is take stock of what we're looking at here with the music and how to navigate smart music. So when you click on this note, you can bring up two options. The one on the left is the four dots. That one's going to tell you what note name this is and how to finger that note. The other one is going to be a waves button that's going to show you how the note sounds. Okay, hopefully that didn't scare you too much. It's kind of loud in my ears. Ouch. So when you look at this diagram, it's set up just like a fingering chart or the saxophone is. So that black dot there, that's actually going to be your second finger. So the first big one is your first finger, but it's not darkened, so you will skip that. The next one is darkened, and that's your middle finger. And the third one is not darkened, so you just keep that up. So the way that you finger this note is simply going to be middle finger in the left hand, and that's it. No buttons pushed down, just middle finger in the left hand. All right, so we've gotten that out of the way. The next thing we need to talk about is the rhythm of the song. We see only whole notes in this song. Whole notes. Whole notes are open-headed notes that have no stem. They last for 4 beats. So if you were going to hear that, it would be like this. Da. 4 beats. This next thing is called a whole rest. It's just like a whole note, but we rest for 4 beats instead of play for 4 beats. So it would sound like this. Ready, go. And that's the end of it. So if you put those together, da, rest, 2, 3, 4, and then do it again, right? Da, rest, 2, 3, 4, da. You get the idea. So whole note, whole rest. We got the fingering. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is learn that the my part needs to be muted if we're going to be recording, but when you're practicing, you can turn it on. Okay. For the purposes of right now with me on this video, we're just going to leave it turned off. Make sure your accompaniment is turned down some because it's usually pretty obnoxious. Not usually, sometimes obnoxious. In this case, it's like very rockish, and it's to me it gets in the way. So I turned mine down. Here we go. Let's try it out. Make sure your saxophone's set up and your ligature's ready and your reed's ready, and you got your saxophone strap pulled up to the right place. All right, here we go. Right? It's that easy. Okay? So practice through that. If you get tone qualities that are less than stellar, if you sound like this, or like, and make that kind of noise in the middle of the note, then like stop and regroup and make sure it's steady. We want to get a very pure sound. Hear how steady and smooth that is? That's what we want. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck on this, and I look forward to hearing your recordings in Smart Music. Okay? Bye-bye.